Hey, what's going on? Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
If you're watching this on Christmas Day, hey, hope you had a fantastic day with your family and everything. We just wanted to jump on because every Sunday at 8, this is where we go live, and we want to bring you Christmas excitement and some updates about our new group, which is going to be January 1st.
So that's 1 week from today.
Yeah, so a week from today.
Coming up.
So next week, when we do go live, it's going to be mainly about the group, which is going to be awesome. So January 1st, get ready. If you haven't gone through the training yet,
make sure you do that. So if you've been seeing us talk about a free course, make sure you have gone through that. If you are anticipating on joining the new group when it launches, it is, do you want me to sort of go over those details now?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so it is going to be a paid group. So you watching this right now, you have a little bit more of an advantage. It's going to be $25 monthly for founding members. And then when we are I shouldn't say no longer accepting founding members, that doesn't make sense. But eventually that price is going to go up. But because of you guys in this group, you're the first ones finding out about it. So you guys will get it for $25 a month. And then, as I said, we eventually are going to bump that price up. Did you have anything else to say about that?
No, keep going.
Okay. So also in our session last Sunday, we talked a little bit about what that group was going to be. You're going to have that weekly training like we do. Well, this is more like what we do on Sunday nights has become more of a coaching session, but what we do is going to be an advanced training session, okay? So you're going to have that. You're going to get content review. You're going to get a power hour per week. So there's just going to be a lot that is getting done. So that $25 a month is very cheap. The breakdown will be launched next Sunday, and we will. Okay.
Yeah, the reason why too is because we can't. We were contemplating on doing like one-on-one coaching, which we probably will do, but that will be a little bit more pricey. So we said, hey, how about we do at a price that is reasonable for anybody who, don't know where to start and want to start their business and get reviews on, their content and just give them ideas so they can launch, hopefully, help them make their first sale online. So there's a lot of things that we're going to put in place. So yeah, this is going to be a big deal, and we just want it to be, a reasonable price for anyone to join.
And there will be obviously like more instruction, more info next Sunday, but we wanted to give you the basics, and so you had that $25 in your head, and it is, I'm going to point this out right now, and it will also be in everything we announce next Sunday. But it is going to be an automatic payment, but you will be able to, you can cancel
anytime.
At any time. But the way we sort of had to set it up, because it is going to be a monthly thing, we had to do it automatically to, keep things organized and all that. But again, there's no penalty, there's no nothing, so you can opt in and opt out whenever you want. So maybe there's, a month you're like, okay, I wish I could do it, but I can't swing it. You can cancel it, no problem. And when you want to come back to that group, you obviously can. So
you're gonna learn a lot of things because we're gonna do paid, show you guys how to do paid advertising and a lot of content. Show you.
So reels, videos.
We're literally just gonna pull the curtain back and just show you everything that we do on a day-to-day basis, so we can help as many people in this group. We want to help you. So that's what we want to do. So for 2023 is going to be big.
More what? Goldfish? And we're not going to wait until nighttime to launch that, because we want people to be able to sign up for it as soon as possible. So January 1st, if we make it until midnight, I don't know about that. But if we make it until midnight, we will launch it in the group right away, or when we wake up that morning. So you won't have to wait until nighttime to sign up for it. Do you have anything? Oh, sure. He's giving her my hairdressing scissors. Do you have anything else, do you think, to add to that? We just wanted to come on. We wanted to say Merry Christmas. We wanted to let you know what to expect for next Sunday, what to expect for that new group. And if you have yet, again, to do that free course, comment I want in so I can get you that link set and you can get signed up for that. And start going through it.
Right.
And that's our cue, I think.
We love you guys. We just wanted to jump on real quick and say hi. The kids are excited. They've been up since early this morning.
Like, she has barely slept the past, 72 hours. So we're going to take them to bed, but we hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I think you'll probably see us a few times live this week before Sunday. Just to pop on and catch up.
Yeah. You got everything?
All right.
We love you guys.
Good night.
See ya.
Can I have this, please? Thank you.